G'day. You probably think PowerPoint is just for presentations. Well, think again. First up, let's create the atmosphere. PowerPoint has some great options for backgrounds, or you can use your own images. For a relaxing vibe, think nature. Maybe a soft gradient, a beach scene, or a forest. If you don't have an image you like, PowerPoint stock images are a great place to start. Just go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. For today's demo, I'm going to use a peaceful beach image. Think calm waves lapping at the shore. This sets the mood for our landscape. Now that we've got our background, we want to make sure it's nice and simple. Less is more here. We want the sounds to take center stage. Now let's add some sound. You want sounds that won't distract but rather promote focus and relaxation. To insert sound from PowerPoint's library, just go to the Insert tab, select Audio, and then choose Audio on my PC. Now you can browse through your audio files, or you can search for royalty-free sounds online. I recommend nature sounds like rain, oceans, or even birds chirping. For this example, I'm adding a soft ocean wave sound, which will loop through the presentation. That way, students can enjoy a continuous calming experience. Make sure you click on Playback in the toolbar and select Loop until stopped, so that the sound keeps playing until the students finish their work. At this point, we can really take it to the next level, adding some empowering messages for your students. Positive affirmations are a great way to help students feel calm, confident, and motivated. You can insert text boxes with uplifting phrases like, I am focused, I am calm and ready to learn, I can handle challenges. Just go to the Insert tab, select a text box, and type in your message. You can play with fonts, colors, and sizes to make sure they're clear and easy to read, but remember, keep it simple and gentle. For this example, I'm adding I am calm and ready to learn at the bottom of the slide. To keep the flow, we'll add a fade-in animation for the text as well, so it appears smooth on the screen. Now let's set it up to appear at the right moment. Maybe after the sound has been playing for a few seconds, to let students really settle in. Finally, let's make sure the presentation loops so the relaxing experience can go on as long as needed. To do this, go to the Slideshow tab and select Set up Slideshow. Then, in the Show's options, tick Loop continuously until Escape. That way, students can start and stop the soundscape whenever they need it. Once you've done that, your PowerPoint will loop the sounds and visuals, creating a calm, empowering environment for your students. And here's a bonus tip. You can save this as a video by going to File and selecting Export and choosing Create a Video. This allows you to easily share the soundscape with your students on their devices for independent relaxation time, or even use it during classroom breaks. Now you've just created a relaxing, empowering soundscape in PowerPoint that your students can use anytime they need a break or a moment to refocus. Let's just talk about how to use these soundscapes in your classroom. First up, you can play them during independent work like reading or writing. The relaxing sounds will help your students focus and stay calm. They're also great before or after a test to help ease any anxiety. Just play the soundscape to set a calm mood and reduce stress. If you want to take it a step further, create a relaxation corner in your classroom where students can go when they need a break. Have a soundscape ready on headphones or a speaker. You can even involve your students in making their own soundscapes. Let them pick sounds and visuals that help them relax, which can be a fun class project. And if you're teaching remotely, don't worry. You can share your soundscapes digitally so students can access them at home too.